Hey guys, welcome back to DXB Crypto. Hope you're doing well. And if it's your first time here, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump into my content today. So in today's video, I want to discuss about the up and coming Nvidia earnings report at the end of May to signal a new kind of rally for AI tokens. Now, what you see here is the Nvidia Corporation's chart. And you can see here, obviously, it went all the way to the top, and then it came back, had a dip, and now it's starting to find a place. Hopefully, maybe a bit more pressure coming down. But you may be asking why I'm actually showing you the Nvidia earnings report. Well, it's very important because a couple of things. First of all, there is a meme token to go with this. And that meme token is by it's called Jensen Huang, and I believe this at some point will go crazy. All right, that's one. The second alpha here is if these earnings come in and outperform what the projections are, I believe this is going to be unbelievable for AI and deep-in projects. So what do? You don't front run something that's not here right now. You can only front run what you know is going to happen. And I think it's going to be sell the event, AI tokens is going to rip, and this is how I'm looking to play. So if you know, Bitento Tao is the leader in this field, and right now at $484, $3 billion in market cap. To some, that may appear to be cheap. So if that's what you're into, have a look at that. But if you look at OXO AI, what you will see here, $240 million market cap. But where's the volume gone? I mean, the volume to market cap ratio is just 0.33%. It means nobody's trading this at all. Is this a good opportunity? Perhaps a good time to start buying some of these big AI tokens. With that kind of volume, I'm expecting maybe more sell pressure to come in. And you can see the correction here hasn't really fully corrected yet. Maybe it's going sideways a little bit, but that's something to keep on your radar if you're looking for a nice big cap. Then the lithium and AI tech, and perhaps even ChainGPT, right? I believe there's a Binance list in here somewhere, okay? I don't exactly know where, but any of these three projects, they are fantastic. I mean, I'm holding them. I was an early investor in ChainGPT, and I reckon this will absolutely rip. And then if we go down further down the line, you've got stuff like Palm AI, you've got Zero Labs, which I hold, and I've made a video about it as a top AI project. I think that's $50 million. This actually had a stealth launch on Uniswap, and it was already over $150 million, and now it's retraced quite nicely. Then, of course, you've got Open Fabric and then GT Protocol. Now, GT Protocol for me is an absolute gem. It's under the radar, $16 million in market cap. I think that could do really well. Then you've got a degen play here, AIPad. Well, the promise was when they launched this, every influencer and their dog was shilling this to their grandmother. Now, the problem was they've not really come out with any quality launch projects. Maybe towards the end of the bull run, but I wouldn't really play this one. We're looking for maybe deep-in and AI narrative coins, and I don't think that's absolutely going to be in any of those. I don't think a massive deep-in project is going to launch. And then, of course, towards the bottom, you've got Nuclei, you've got Layer AI, which is a very, very low cap cryptocurrency. And then you got the likes of Based AI, Hash AI, and Cubic, which are a bit more respectable. But Hash AI, for example, is the prime cryptocurrency, in my opinion, that takes AI and deep-in together quite nicely. You know, they've got a lot of GPU rigs. They post out quite regularly. It's nobody talks about this, I guess, but it's a giant in the making, in my opinion. And then, of course, Cubic and Based AI. Well, Based AI would be a longer term play for me. But those are cryptocurrencies in that narrative. Now, in addition to that, what will move with these quite clearly is some of our deep-in projects. All right. If we go to deep-in. Do I have my deep-in picks here? Wait a minute, guys. Let me just bring them out. Proof of work, layer ones. All right, deep-in projects. Now, deep-in projects, obviously, they're going to be led by Render, the likes of Arweave. AOs can go into AI and deep-in. It's a big market cap. So if you're looking for something that is going to pump, that's going to attract money, I think any of these three big ones will be able to do you very well. Now, in addition to that, I'm actually fishing more in the in these lower ends. So Claw AI, I think at $54 million in market cap, has recently retraced quite nicely, 21 cents. I think that's a good one. And then you've got the likes of OPSEC that I'm looking at here. The likes of OPSEC will do really well. I have got some other deep in picks. They're just not public at the moment. If you want to know what those are, join us in the private community and you will get a full list of deep in projects. Now, in conclusion, what am I doing here? What is my strategy? And why am I talking to you about a narrative that we've just had pumped? We've had it pumped because of the Nvidia conference. Now we're going to have it pumped again because I believe the earnings report will create a lot of, in my opinion, a lot of buzz, and both GPU and AI projects will absolutely explode. So on that basis, let me know what you're holding. Let me know what you're stacking. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.